I wanted to make a tea towel to hang during the holiday season. I chose to have a simple graphic with traditional color. To make your own, you need flour sacks, your cutting machine, iron, and iron-on material. Once I found the image for my towel, I uploaded it into Design Space and cut it out on glitter iron-on material. Make sure to measure your towel before cutting out the final design. I use my tools to remove the excess material. I place the image on the towel and iron per the directions. These super cute Christmas tea towels can be used as fun hostess gifts or just to display in your kitchen. When using these towels, be sure not to put hot pots or pans directly on the vinyl. Wash them as normal and hang to dry. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.